This is our part of our adventure. We're going to a waterfall. We're crossing our first river. Oh, it's amazing. This is many other people taking the horses, which was the only other option that was given by the boats. Oh, so beautiful.
Right? Until right, we go right. I'm just gonna let they told me I couldn't cross this on my own without a horse.
Exactly, they told us the same thing. We're like, oh, forget that.
$15, I didn't want to ride the damn horse.
Although I think there's two rivers. The second one is the worst of the two, but
Still, I mean, I could swim it if I had to.
yep. They're worried about everybody instead of just...
Well, I mean, yeah, you see a lot of little kids.
Yep. Enjoy, you'll enjoy it.
Yeah.
Oh, you're very welcome.
Okay. Tenemos patinos caballos. Con la cerca de los caballos. Que nos exfoliemos.
Okay, we're going now. Uh-oh. Don't let it ride.
Greg, you want me to
No.
take the camera? How do you like this hike, Greg?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Right? No fear.
No fear. It's amazing.
Walk. Walk with the nature.
Yes.
Follow.
I think so.
You know to follow.
In the different tours, they let people not have to sprint.
Oh, it's beautiful. Caballo. What can I say, my friend? They told us when we first got off the boat that we couldn't cross these rivers unless we had horses, and that's what they told everybody else, just so they can get the use of the horses, and neither one of them was bad at all. It's an amazing trip. Oh, it's beautiful. Sarai, how are you doing?
Good. It's a very nice walk. No fear. That guy was crazy.
So the same thing for the other boat. That's why they're on horses.
My origins.
Yes,
Walking on the sand.
walking on the sand.
Caballo. Kisses too. Amigo, we need to walk. We need to walk more fast.
Yeah,
Because you
Yes.
don't have
No problem.
No more time in
Turn
the
off.
waterfall.
Yeah, turn off the camera.
I can walk faster.
Yeah, okay,
I'll keep up.
Let's go fast.
Oye, mami, si te ponen las tenis. Oiga, ¿ya vamos a pasar por agua? Ya que se pueden poner los tenis, ¿no? Pero nadie me pasa. ¿Por qué se ponen los tenis?
Porque me van a dejar así.
Esperen los que se pongan los tenis, ¿no?
Amazing walk.
I'm barefoot.
Ey, espérame. Ayúdame, ¿no?
Suéltalo adelante, bro. Mejor.
Si tú no nos dejas atrás, a ver si te abre.
No cambio.
Creo que te hace más rápido si te pones tus tenis.
Como me la quito.
Okay, guys. I have no control.
You're okay.
Caballito, señora. 100 pesitos, ida y vuelta, no me...
Give me the camera. Get the shoes on.
What?
Get the shoes on. Give me the camera.
Why? We need the shoes?
No.